The necessary first you write the necessary detail, and today I will discuss about the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is basically a simple closed bounded. Quadrilateral is basically a simple closed bounded by four line segment. Four line segment, and the figure of the quadrilateral, this A, B, C and D. So first, number of sides are 4, and the sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. Number of sides are 4 and this. Now the number of angle. Number of angle is 4. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now the number of vertices is again 4. A, B, C and D. Now in this we can write the angles in different ways. First we can write the angles in different way. Copied? Can I rub the figure now? Okay, no, I will use the figure. Okay, no problem. So angle A will be written in two form, angle BAD and angle DAB. Is that clear? Now angle B again written in the same format, angle ABC and angle CBA. Now angle C can be written in two format, angle BCD and angle DCB. Now the last angle DEC is written in the form of angle ADC and angle CDA. Is it be clear to you all? Copied?
Yes, sir.
Now the adjacent side. Adjacent side. You know what is adjacent side? Adjacent is uh, adjacent side basically vertex. One vertex in common. Adjacent side means one vertex in common. So AD and DC is one adjacent side, and AD is adjacent to DC. Wait, I will write it differently. AD is adjacent to side CD and AB. Adjacent sides means AD is adjacent to side CD and AD is adjacent to side AB also. If we talk about is AB, then there is again two adjacent sides. One is AD and the second is BC. Means the adjacent side to this is this and this. If there is a doubt, you can ask, please, okay? Now, if we talk about BC, then there is again two adjacent sides. One is AB and the second is CD. And you can see, I write one vertex in common. If we BC and AB are or adjacent, then vertex B in common. If we say about BC is adjacent to CD, then angle C or vertex C is in common. Okay. Now the fourth is DC. Again there is two sides. One is AD and second adjacent side is BC. Clear? Now the adjacent sides are clear or not? Astha, clear or not? Nidhi?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
yes, sir, clear.
Okay, good. Now the opposite. Oh, sorry. Adjacent side, then adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Now, adjacent angle means, suppose if we take this angle, then the adjacent is C and D. In this, in this, one arm is common. In this, one arm in common. So, angle D adjacent to two angles, angle A and angle C. Now, angle A is adjacent to again two angles, angle B and angle D. Angle B is adjacent to two angles, angle A and angle C. And the last one, angle C is adjacent to again two angles. One is angle B and the second is angle D. Or you can see now if we take if we see or if we can talk about C angle C, you see angle B. If we say angle B is in the form of angle ABC, and if we say angle C, then we say BCD. You see BC and BC here. So it means that this this arm is common in angle B and C. Sorry. Now the opposite side. Now Nidhi, tell me what is the opposite side of AD? What is the opposite of AD? Astha, can you please tell what is the opposite side of AD?
CD.
CD, ये किसने बोल दिया? We are talking about opposite. You don't know opposite क्या होता है? Opposite मतलब उसके सामने, in front of. Opposite means, opposite का मतलब होता है in front of. In front of. In front of होता है opposite का मतलब. So AD के opposite में BC है and AB के opposite में CD है. Does it be clear? What happened? My voice is not audible to all.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Then you are not able to give answers. Oh, it's up to you. AD is means the side AD is opposite to BC and side or line segment AB is opposite to BC. Now opposite angle. Opposite angle. A, B, C and D. Please mute the voice if not required. Now the opposite angle. The opposite of angle A, the opposite of angle A is angle C, and the opposite of angle B is angle D.
D.
This is basically called the opposite. मतलब A and C are opposite to each other, and B and D is opposite to B and D are opposite to each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, quadrilateral are of two types. Please mute the audio if not required. बार बार एक ही बात ना बोलना पड़े. The quadrilateral are of two types. Convex and concave. In convex, all the angles are less than 180 and more than 0 degree. In convex quadrilateral, all the angles are less than 180 degree and more than 0 degree. And in concave, one angle, at least one angle, at least one angle is greater than
180 degree.
180 degree but less than 360 degree. But less than 360 degree. Now the figure for the convex is like this. ऐसा कोई भी उसको किसी भी तरह का हो सकता है, but the figure of concave is like this. Because one angle must be greater than 180 degree. Clear? Or any doubt? यहाँ तक किसी
No,
को
sir.
यहाँ तक कोई डाउट नहीं है. नाउ ऑल दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. What happened today? Astha is not there in class. Astha, Nidhi. Nidhi, are you there in class? So if Astha is not there in class, who can send me the attendance for today's class? If Astha Rani is absent, then who will send? Who will send me the
Sir,
attendance?
I can.
Who? What's your name?
Sir, I can.
Tell me your name.
Varsa.
Okay, no problem. Varsha, you can send me the attendance for today's class, today's online class. Okay. Now there is interior and exterior points. So the interior is basically inside the closed figure and exterior points are those points which are outside the. Suppose it is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D and there is a point suppose X, Y and here is a point P, here is a point Q. So interior means points, interior points means the points are inside, inside the closed figure and exterior points means points are outside the outside the closed figure. Yes, and now according to the figure, x and y are the interior points, and p and q are the exterior points. Now it is clear what is exterior points and what are interior points and what are exterior points. If the point inside the closed figure, then it is a interior, or if it is outside the closed figure, the points are basically outside the closed figure, then they are said to be exterior points. Now we will prove angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So what is the time left? How much time is left?
Sir, 16 minutes.
Okay, good. Now we can prove, जैसे हमने ट्राइंगल के लिए प्रूव किया था कि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल कितना होता है, दैट इज 180. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या होता है. So first you can draw a figure like this and then join the diagonal. This is basically called the diagonal A, B, C and D. So to prove angle 1, to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, and given is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Yes, now it is clear. And now mark the angles in the quadrilateral. We can mark the angle with 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will be easy to understand. Suppose we start with 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5, and here is 6. If we, and there you have to write to construct also. Construct join BD as diagonal. To construct join BD as diagonal. And now mark the angles like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. Clear? Now the proof start. I will start the proof from here. Proof. In triangle, now you see if we draw a diagonal, there is a two triangle. One is triangle ABD. So first we start with triangle ABD. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, कोई बता सकता है कितना होगा?
Sir, repeat your question, please.
You can see the board, please. Is it be visible to you or not?
Sir, 270.
270. AB, ABD की बात कर रहे हैं.
No, sir.
ABD. Angle sum property अभी just we finished triangle. तो तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि if there is a triangle, then sum of three angle is equal to what?
Sir, 180.
180 degree.
तो संभव क्या कर रहे हो? 270, 180 degree. And now we mark equation 1 like this. The board is visible to everyone or not? Sambhav, the board is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
now in this is the triangle ABD, first triangle, and we know that the angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Now in triangle CBD, CBD again angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree because it is a triangle again. Now this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. After that, we can say that add equation 1 and 2. We get equation 1 और 2 को हम प्लस कर देंगे. So angle 1 plus +80 plus 180 is 360 degree. And now there is a sixth angle. Yes? Ab, Varsha, can you please tell me if we add angle 2 and 4? If we add angle 2 and 4, then we get what? तो कौन सा एंगल हमें मिलेगा? If we add these two angles, then which angle we get? हमें कौन सा एंगल मिलेगा? If we add angle 2 plus angle 4, then we get angle D. So angle 1 plus angle D. Now, if we add angle 3 plus angle 5, we get angle B. And now you see angle 1 is angle A. So we can substitute angle 1 with A. and then we can arrange it angle B first. Then you can see angle 6 is angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree. Means that angle sum property of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Is that clear with everyone or not? If there is any doubt, please ask. What happened? Is there any problem? I don't understand. कोई दिक्कत है कि
No,
आवाज
sir.
सुनाई नहीं दे रही है? क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? What are you doing all? If some students are not in class, you all are just sleeping. सो रहे हो एकदम. कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. Just open your mobile and I don't know what are you doing with that. Sambhav, can you answer me? Saurav? Varsha, anyone? My voice is not audible. If my voice is not audible, please tell me. Okay, I will explain little bit more. First, we make a quadrilateral, then draw a diagonal, one diagonal only, and then mark the angle 1, 2, 3 in first triangle, then 4, 5, 6 in second triangle. And we know that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. That is the equation number 1. And if we add angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree again because it is a triangle only. So there is two equation. Now when we add the two equation 1 and 2, we get all the angles like angle 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 5 and 6 is equal to 360 because 180 multiplied by 2 or 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Then we know that angle 2 plus 4, angle 2 plus 4, if we add angle 2 and 4, we get angle D. And if we add angle 3 and 5, then we get angle B. After that, we know that angle 1 is angle A and angle 6 is angle D. Angle 6 is angle C. So, angle A plus B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. This is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral.